Wait.
Stop.
Okay. Let's go find the Easter eggs. Get the Easter eggs.
Eggs.
Find the eggs, Rosie.
Find
Did
the eggs.
you find the eggs? There's one. Yep, you got it. You found it. Get the other one. Go get it, Mom, so she can get the... Can you find the other one?
Okay.
There's another one. Where is it?
Did you hide only 2?
No, it's 4. Where's the other one? There's one
Go
on...
find the eggs. Go find the eggs.
Over here,
You're
Rosie.
cold. You're getting cold.
Over here. Go find it. It's over there. It's over there. There it is.
You're getting cold. You're getting warm.
There it is.
You're getting warm.
There it is. Look, Rosie. Rosie, it's over here. There's one right there. She found it.
Okay. Okay. Go find another one. Go find another one. Go find
Look
another
right.
one. Go find another one. Go find another one. Go find some more. Go find more.
There's one right by you, Rosie.
Oh, you're getting warm. You're getting warm. You're getting cold. You're getting warm.
Look. Rosie.
There's some-
There. Right
You're
there.
getting cold.
Right here, look.
Cold. You're
There
getting
it
warm. You're cold.
You know there's one around there somewhere, don't you? Rosie,
She wants
look.
me.
Right there, look.
You're getting cold.
There it is.
She found that one pretty easy. Okay, go find another one. Go find another one. Should know what to do with it. Is she trying to eat it? Pick the whole thing up? Oh no.
That one's yours.
That's your egg. Oh, that's cute. She's gonna lick all the color off of it. She never found the other one.